Alright, y'all, this is going to be a quick video of the ceiling fans I've gotten in the month of March and late February. So, first off, we have this all-white Harbor Breeze New Orleans. It is starting to turn beigey color. It's supposed to be white, but it's turned beige. Yeah. And then over here we have this Harbor Breeze, can't remember the model name. I was told, can't remember. It's got an uplight, pretty obvious. It works, I just can't turn on because I set that box up there. Next, we have this palm air, that's what I was told. And then I got a light kit for it. See, it's got cane blades. It's just sitting here because I just took it down. I'll make a video on it sometime soon. And yeah. Next up, we have this new in-box Murray Feist. Tallman, whatever you call it. Got this at the thrift store Friday. We all know the Landmark. And two all-white Hunter Mayfairs. That's just the Blazer one. And here's the other one. This is the one we made a video of soon, and we put it in my kitchen, in my house. Works real well. Very childhood. And next, we have going over here, this new light kit from Charleston, because I want to see it look like the ball globe. Yeah. I did some antique desk fans over here, just to display some of them. And this is a Litex I'm restoring, so I'll show y'all when it's complete. And yeah, wrapped up everything. Display. So yeah, some display changes were made, but yeah. Anyway, that's the changes of March.